Hello students, in this lecture we will find the shuttering of roof beam. In this picture you can see the wooden part of shuttering which will retain the concrete. You can also see the steel portion of the beam and main bar. Now let's start calculating the shuttering quantity of roof beam. Here is the ground floor layout plan of roof beam. The breadth of beam 1 is 380 mm and its depth is 890 mm, including slab, and 762 mm excluding slab. The breadth of beam 2 is 380 mm and its depth is 432 including slab and 300 mm excluding slab. The breadth of beam 3 is 230 mm and its depth is 432 including slab and 300 excluding slab. The length of beam B1 is 5694 mm and we have 12 members of B1 in the plan. The shuttering will be done on both sides of the beam, and so this makes it 24 members of length 5694 mm. The number of B1 is 24. Its length is 5694 mm and its depth is 762 mm excluding slab. We will find its quantity by multiplying its number, length and depth. Its unit is in millimeter square, and so we convert it to meter square by dividing it with 1000 square. Now we will find the bottom face of B1. Its overall length is 11,582. So we have 6 beams whose length is 11,582. Its number is 6, length is 11,582 and its depth is 380. We will calculate its quantity in the similar way we found the above quantity. The length of overall B2 in the backside is 12,802 and it will become the same in front side. Its number is 2, length is 12,802, its depth excluding slab is 300 mm and we calculate its quantity in similar way we found the above quantity. Let us calculate its inner part of shuttering. Its length is 5694 and the same length will be on the right part also. We have 4 such members in the plan. Its number is 4, length is 5694, its depth is 300 mm and we calculate its quantity in the similar way we found the above quantities. Now let us find the bottom part of B2. The length of bottom part is 5486 and we have 4 such beams in the plan. Its number is 4, length 5486 and its breadth is 380 mm. We will multiply all its measures for getting its quantity. Do convert it to square meters by dividing it with 1000 square. Now we will find shuttering of B3. The left hand side length of B3 beams is 24,765 mm. Its number is 2, length is 24,765 and its depth is 300 mm. We will find its quantity by multiplying all its measures and converting it to meter square. Now we will find the internal part of B3. Its internal length is 3102 mm. There are 33 such members of side B3. Its number is 33, length is 3102 and its depth is 300 mm. Then we will find its quantity in the similar way we found the above quantity. Now we will find the bottom part of shuttering of B3. Its length will be the same as before, that is 3102, and we have 21 such parts of B3. Its number is 21, length is 3102 and its breadth is 230 mm. We will find its quantity by multiplying all its measures and then converting it to square meters. The total quantity is the sum of all the quantities. In this lecture, we learned to calculate the shuttering quantity of roof beam.